Hey guys, Josh from Hectic 4x4. I just installed the Oricom UHF from 4-wheel drive Supercenter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it. So let's get into it. Right, so here's everything that came within the box. Before you start anything, obviously you disconnect the battery, so shut off all the power so it's all safe. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is feed the wires to the firewall. They purposely haven't put the, where's the plug? They purposely haven't put the plug on, so it's really thin and easy to fit through the firewall. So I'll get the power cable through the firewall, and I'll get the antenna cable through the firewall. So what the pack doesn't come with is these metal things that come on the end of the positive and negative wire to hook up to the batteries. So before you get started, pop down to the shops and buy 2 of these and some heat shrink as well. So I just shoved the wire in there, I just heat shrinked it on in. Alright, so I'm going to feed the wire through the rubber grommet. If anyone else has better techniques on how to get it through, then leave a comment and let me know. But this is how I've been doing it. I've just been loosening the bolts and shoving it through there. Yeah, so I just shoved it in there. Yeah, it comes down from up there. You can pull it through. Step, get the antenna installed, because you need to feed the bolt through the entire length of the wire, and you don't want this to be through the firewall when you go to install the antenna. So get the antenna on first and then feed the wire through the firewall. Now I'm just going to mount it. That's the mounting bracket there. That'll just sit there like that. Now you just plug in the power, plug in the antenna, plug in the walkie-talkie plug. After it's plugged into the actual unit, then you can go hook up the battery and the other sides of this wire onto the battery, just to be safe, Literally plug and play. It's so easy. It is so easy. That's it. It's all hooked up.